Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another DIY. So if DIYs on a budget is what you're looking for, then keep watching. And as always, it's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So what you see me doing is removing all of the wrapping from around these ceramic coasters that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I purchased 10 of them. And what you see me doing now is taking and I am gluing together 4 on one side, 4 on the other side, with 1 on either end, so 2 additionals to close up what's going to be the box to our planter. So in addition to gluing those together, you see I had those large jumbo crafting sticks that I purchased from Walmart, and I did put those or glue those down on the inside of the piece just to bring more security, or to make this piece more secure and to keep it from falling apart. And again, what you see me do on one side, you will see me do that again on the other. And now you see me just checking out the spacing, and since I now like that spacing, I am going to glue the ends down using again another one of the coasters, and I am securing that piece using some of those tumbling tower blocks that you can also find from the Dollar Tree. Now, when I first had this idea to come into my brain or my head, I like saying in my head, it was after I had created the project the other night using one of the blue coasters. And so I was like, I have a bunch of these coasters. What am I going to do? And it just came to me. And so I wanted to bring it to you all because I know you're going to like this as much as I liked it, right? Anyway, I felt like this would be a great conversation piece if you were to put this on a coffee table or on some type of mantle, because it'll give people something to read. And it's very, some of the sayings are very profound. And you see, initially I was going to use some more of those paint sticks to create the base, but I decided to use this poster board, and I just cut it out to the perimeter of this piece. And of course I'm using hot glue to secure it to the board, this piece to the board. Okay guys, while you watch me just trim off the excess, I want to say, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button, and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. So guys, as you can see, I am just removing the excess of the poster board away from this piece. And now that it is fully complete, I am now going to cut down some of this pool noodle. So if you are new to crafting and want to save some money, I would encourage you to use the pool noodles to use as your foam instead of buying the foam or the floral bricks or foam bricks. You know what I'm saying, the little green bricks that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, any crafting store really. And I'm just taking some of these picks that I purchased from Michael's and just applying them in there. I actually have picks from Dollar Tree, Michael's, as well as Walmart that will be included in this arrangement. Guys, again, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. So guys, tell me a little bit about your day. How has your week been going? How has your day been going? Leave that in the comment section. Let's talk. I can't really say much. I had a a very productive day and just got a lot of things done, and went and rode out with Uncle T for a bit, and now I'm back in giving you this voiceover. And as you can see, this is the reveal. Is this not cute, guys? I think this was really, really cute. It has all these different sayings, and now you can see why I said this will have people talking. Again, guys, I pray that you all have a blessed day or blessed night, and we are headed into the weekend. So I want to say be blessed, and until the next DIY.